another hadith they go with the angels. And Allah says, take out of the fire anyone who you can remember doing a good deed, even the size of a coin. And they go there, the hadith is long. The angels start taking out and you point them out. The fire doesn't burn you. Then they say, Ya Rabb, we don't know anyone else, we can't see them, but there's others, they've gone, they're deep in, but we still remember them, we couldn't find them. Allah then says, go. Take out anyone you can find who has half a coin's worth of good deeds they've ever done in their life. They go with them and they take them out. The prophets intercede, the angels intercede. You, bi'idhnillah, ya Rabb, insha'Allah, the believers intercede. And Allah gives you that honor. And then Allah says, all of them have interceded, and now it is my turn. And the Rasul ﷺ says, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes out uncountable numbers of people who had fallen deep into hellfire until the last person. Allahu alam how long they're in there. You probably heard the hadith about the last man to enter paradise. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala saves them eventually.